Let me show you how to achieve this classic rose gele by yourself. Let's get started.
Dead baby, what's up?
The crafty producer.
Learning time. Yes, so my people, we are going to learn how to achieve this blue. Now see this blue rose. This is what I call classic. I'm not saying we dey see different type of rose. Anyone you hear, anytime you hear classic for any style, just know that first you must first create pleaty for front. This pleaty I dey create for front now. This pleaty must be there. It's not optional, except if you want to do the fast one. And so that one we don't call it classic. This one, so you must learn how to achieve this front pleaty. So I have different way I create this front pleaty. This is the primary 2. So I have the primary 1 is on my channel. Okay, I divide this material equal. You divide any length you have, divide them equal. The measurements, just divide them equal 50-50. Then you create the front pleaty. Then you make sure that the front pleaty, you set it up before you continue the top, that rose style. Now what I am doing now, I'm just trying to rearrange the front pleaty. Guys, if you want to know how to achieve this front pleaty easily, just write primary 1 pleaty on my YouTube channel. That one you will see the easiest one. So this one is the primary 2. The primary 1 pleaty, we place it on our leg to create this front pleaty. It's more easier. Okay, by the time you manage to set up the front side is very, very important. That is why we call it classic. So by the time you manage to set it up, try your best. Then you see the way I'm now folding it, twisting it to the front side. Make sure you twist it to the front side or the both side. And now you now have that stick twisting. Twist it towards the front side. Then you see, just focus your eye. All I need from you is focusing. I need focusing, auntie. You see, I just use one pin to pin that place down. You know, we have different way they do this rose. So check, see the way I do this one in case you like this style. This is the way. Then I'm not going to, then you raise the other side of the twisting. Then you take it round. See the way I take it round. Instantly, immediately continue just start creating your rose. Create your rose. So what I am doing there now, I will just do the folding rose. See the way I'm dragging it. Then once the material ends, use pin to just protect that place. Just pin it. See, I will use pin now to pin it. You see the way I pin it? Okay. Then now I will work on the top sides. I want you to focus, auntie. See, the top side. Then you take it round. This style is classic and is very good for all age group. In case you don't like this style, I have more than 600 videos on my YouTube channel. Go and rock and watch. Please don't forget to leave your comment down below for me. Then you use pin to pin the edge. Now we are going to raise it up now. Just see the way I'm going to raise everything up for you to achieve that rose classic. Operation do it yourself. Oh, see the way I'm raising it. See the way I'm raising it. Just raise it. Stand in front of mirror. Yes, so this is the final. If today is the first time you come across my video, my name is Dead Beauty. I base here in United Kingdom, London. We are many in one beauty. We do makeup, we do gele, we do photo shoot. Go to my Instagram because my Facebook is very busy. Go to my Instagram, you will see all my jobs are there. Come and have your photo shoot on my studio here in London. Book me for your event. We do many things. Please follow my page. Follow all my pages on Facebook. Follow my YouTube. For more explanation, I have YouTube Dead Beauty Life, where I do live on YouTube with more explanation of gele and makeup. Okay, this is the final. Yes, so my number is always at the end of all my video. In case you don't see the number, go to my Instagram. My number is there. My Facebook, YouTube, my number is there. Yes, please try and drop your comment for me. Thank you. This is the final. I am super happy. Yes, so see you on my next video. Thank you. Bye.